Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious homemade yogurt using your Power Quick Pot. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 8 cups of milk and 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt with live active cultures. Make sure your Power Quick Pot is sparkling clean. Carefully pour the 8 cups of milk into the inner pot. Then, place the lid on your Power Quick Pot, ensuring it's properly sealed and ready for the next step. Now, let's heat the milk. Select the yogurt function on your Power Quick Pot and set it to boil. This will bring the milk to 180 degrees Fahrenheit, which is crucial for denaturing proteins and creating a thick yogurt. Once heated, let the milk cool down to 110 degrees Fahrenheit. You can use a thermometer to check. When it's cooled, take out about 1/4 cup of the warm milk. With your small amount of milk, gently whisk in the 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt starter until it's completely smooth. This ensures the cultures are evenly distributed. Now, pour this starter mixture back into the main pot of 110 degree Fahrenheit milk in your Power Quick Pot. Stir it well. Close the lid and select the yogurt function again, setting the incubation time for 8 to 12 hours. After the incubation period, your yogurt is ready. Carefully remove the inner pot from your Power Quick Pot. Cover it and place it in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours to chill and thicken further. Once it's cold, your delicious homemade yogurt is ready to enjoy. Serve it plain, with fresh fruit or a drizzle of honey. Don't forget to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.